He's a shimmer. Look at him move.
I was sitting over on side of the symbol.
Oh, I lost the toy. I lost it. There he is. No, Dad didn't. He's a crack sniffing dog. Smelling crack dog? Smelling the crack? He's a crack sniffing dog. He smells some crack on you, boy. Oh, never mind. He just smells some sugar babies.
Who told you this? The other girls.
I can't see him. Where'd he go? Oh no! We lost him! There he is. What you doing, Papa? I think our crack sniffing dog is going bad. He's not doing well at sniffing out some crack. Sam! Sam! Look at me. You're so cute. Come here. Come here. Look at me. Do you like the camera? You like the camera? Yes. You love the camera, don't you? Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, 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 woof. Woof. Look at him run! Look at him go! He's running! Oh, why did you run, boy? Don't run down the stairs. What are you? Look at him go downstairs. Going around the door.
Her and her brother, they get along, but they don't see each other much. And we're supposed to meet him at a restaurant. It's a sushi bar down there in Choco Bob.
Woof, woof, woof.
Okay.
Hey, Sam.
Yeah.
Did you get, how did you do that? You like,
That.
No. No, boy. No. Woof, woof, woof.
Okay.
You want a biscuit?
Right, so you left.
Hold on. The video camera needs to see you eat a biscuit. Wait 1 second. Sam eats the good stuff. See, look at this. Look at that. It's a dog bakery. Come on. Come on, boy. Eat it. Look at him go. He's eating now.
Yeah, well, that's what, you know.
Look at him eat it. He's so good. Such a good puppy.
We haven't been to the boathouse yet either, so I'd like to go there. All right, well, I'll tell you, she's sleeping now. I'll tell you called I'll tell her when she gets up tomorrow.
That's the end of the day. Sam, say bye to the people. Sam.
He's leaving on the